Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best cherry pencil pouch on the market, the SOIDRAM Cute Makeup Bag Quilted Cosmetic Bag. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and charming makeup pouch, this one might just be the perfect fit. Right off the bat, the design catches your eye with its vintage quilted look. The bag features a beautiful floral quilting pattern on the outside, giving it that classic yet trendy coquette aesthetic that's so popular right now. The cherry design adds a cute and playful touch that stands out without being over the top. Inside, you'll find a gingham plaid lining that adds a subtle sophistication and makes the bag feel thoughtfully designed both inside and out. Made from soft and premium cotton, the material feels lightweight but durable, which is perfect for everyday use or travel. The cotton fabric gives it a comfortable texture, and the quilting adds just the right amount of puffiness, protecting your cosmetics or pencils from bumps and scratches. Size-wise, this makeup bag measures about 8.3 by 5 inches, making it compact enough to fit in your purse or suitcase while still offering enough space to carry all your essentials. Whether it's makeup brushes, lipsticks, eyeliners, skincare products, or even stationery items, this bag is versatile. It keeps everything organized and easy to find, which is a huge plus when you're on the go. One of the best things about this pouch is its portability. It's light, easy to carry, and fits comfortably in your hand or handbag. You can toss it in your luggage for travel, carry it to work, or even use it as a daily organizer for your beauty or stationery items. It's truly multi-purpose. The zipper closure is smooth and sturdy, ensuring your items stay secure without any risk of spills. Plus, the stitching looks well done, reinforcing the bag's durability for long-term use. Overall, the SOIDRAM Quilted Floral Makeup Bag is a blend of cute aesthetics and practical design. It's an excellent choice if you want something that's not just a makeup bag but also a fashion statement. The cherry theme adds a fresh and fun vibe, while the quilting and quality cotton material give it that cozy and durable feel. If you want a makeup bag that's stylish, roomy, and travel-friendly, this SOIDRAM cherry makeup pouch is definitely worth considering. That's it from Product Critique for today. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.